Welcome to your new luxury diffuser experience. Congratulations on choosing our diffuser to elevate your space. In this video, we'll guide you through a seamless unboxing and setup so you can start enjoying your signature scent immediately. Inside your box, you'll find a user manual and informational pamphlet, the canister with atomizer top and wall plate, one thick tube and one thin tube, a power cord, a bag of carefully selected accessories, including mounting essentials. Gently lift the pre-programmed diffuser from the box and remove the protective sleeves. Setting up your diffuser. Place your diffuser in the desired area. Locate the power switch on the side and ensure it's properly set. Connect the power cable to the unit. Unlock the oil chamber by unscrewing the atomizer from the canister. Fill it with your favorite scent. Then screw the atomizer back in place. Attach the thin tube to the diffuser and the side of the canister, ensuring it is secure. Connect the thick tube to the top of the canister. Then attach the other end to the HVAC connector on the diffuser. Confirm the front display reads ON. Optional HVAC integration. Create a small, nickel-sized opening in the soft part of your HVAC system to pass the tubing through. Slide the tubing through and connect your HVAC system. Seal the opening with aluminum tape for an airtight connection. Removing the tubes. To detach the tubes, gently push down on the connector and pull the tube out. Your diffuser is now ready. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the sophisticated ambiance of your personalized scent journey.